Hello, I'm going to show you how to master the season system and weather mechanics in Assassin's Creed Shadows. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's learn how the changing seasons affect gameplay. First, pay attention to your surroundings, because different weather and seasonal conditions can change the way you approach exploration and stealth. All right, watch how visibility, movement, and the environment change as time passes. Now, experiment with different strategies depending on the current conditions instead of using the exact same approach every time. Once you understand how the world changes throughout the seasons, you'll be able to plan your routes more effectively and adapt to different situations. The more familiar you become with these environmental changes, the easier it is to stay hidden, move efficiently, and complete objectives without unnecessary risks. And that's how you master the season system and weather mechanics in Assassin's Creed Shadows.